Hi guys, welcome to Ginger's Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making skinless longanisa. So for our ingredients, we have the minced pork, we have some paprika, brown sugar, of course you got salt and pepper, and the garlic. Tara, gawa tayo. So first up, we're just gonna mix all our ingredients. So we're gonna put the paprika. So roughly around mga 2 tablespoons of paprika. And then we got the brown sugar. Then we're gonna put salt and pepper. So we put some black pepper first. Then I put in some salt. Then we're gonna put some garlic. Masarap to medyo mas maraming garlic. Pwede nyo rin lagay na freshly chopped garlic. Wala kasi ako nun, so itong garlic na available sa akin is itong chopped na siya. Itong minced na. Ayan. So mga 2 tablespoons of garlic ang nilagay ko. Katapos niyan, imimix lang natin siya. Mas maganda kung ayan guys. Ganyan na siya pag na-mix nyo na all together. Naglagay din ako ng mga 1 teaspoon ng cooking oil or vegetable oil. Tapos nito, kuha lang tayo ng wax paper o kaya kung wala kayong wax paper kagaya ko, meron lang ako ng cling film. And then, huhulmahin lang natin siya. Then after nyo siyang mahulma, you need to keep the longanisa in the fridge. If you prefer overnight or for a few hours before cooking it. Okay? Alright, so we're just gonna shape it into our desired size and shape. See? If you can see, it's taking its shape now. So maybe like that long. So I'm just using one of my store cards to help shape our longanisa. And then you just have to transfer it to a plate. Okay? Gonna be much more easier kung meron tayong wax paper. So I'm gonna put another one. And you just continue doing it hanggang sa maubos na yung inyong mixture. So ayan na siya guys, after nyo mahulma, meron pa akong natitirang minced pork there. Yung mixture niya, pabili lang ako ng wax paper sa asawa ko. Mahirap kasi gamitin ng cling film. So you can refrigerate this overnight, or if you wanna eat it later on, you can refrigerate it for like 3 hours or so. And then after that, pwede mo na siyang iprito muna. And then after you ma-sear yung all sides ng inyong longanisa, you put a bit of water, and then you put a bit of oil, and then you let the water to reduce and fry it on its own sauce. And that's how you make skinless longanisa. Don't forget to follow, like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ginger's Kitchen, and as well as on Facebook, okay? God bless. Ingat. Bye.